Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on the half, the humble 1/2. Half is the fraction every other fraction wants to be. It's the only fraction that doubles up to 1 in a single step, the only one that sits exactly between 0 and 1, and the secret factor in every triangle area formula on the syllabus. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where the half is hiding across your paper. Quick identity check. A half is positive. It's rational, meaning it can be written as a fraction of integers. As a decimal, it's 0.5, which is clean, terminating, and no recurring nonsense. And as a percentage, it's 50%. Half, 0.5, 50%. 3 ways of saying the same thing, and you'll see all 3 on the same paper. Multiples of a half: 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Every multiple of a half lands either on an integer or on an integer plus a half. And that's it. No surprises. The reason halves are so useful is that they sit neatly halfway between every pair of integers, which makes them the perfect tool for midpoints, averages, and probabilities of 50-50 events. Powers of a half. Half to the 1 is a half. Half squared is a quarter. Half cubed is an eighth. Half to the 4th is 1/16. Half to the 5th is 1/32. Notice the pattern. The denominators are just powers of 2. And here's the counterintuitive bit. Squaring a fraction less than 1 makes it smaller, not bigger. Half squared is a quarter, which is less than a half. The triangle area factor. Why does every triangle area formula have a half in it? Because a triangle is exactly half of a rectangle. Take any triangle, copy and flip it, and the two fit together into a rectangle. Base times height. So one triangle has half that. Half times base times height. The same trick gives you the trig formula. Area equals 1/2 AB sine C. The half is doing the same job. It's the one triangle not two factor. Key relationships. A half equals 0.5 equals 50%. Half plus a half is 1. Half times a half is a quarter. Squaring makes it smaller. 1 divided by a half is 2. Dividing by a half doubles you, which is a great calculator paper sanity check. And 2 to the minus 1 is a half. Negative powers are reciprocals. Lots of marks live in spotting that one. Where a half actually appears in your exam, the probability of a fair coin landing heads is a half. The area of any triangle is a half base times height. The trig formula, area equals 1/2 AB sine C. Half percentage and discount problems. And the midpoint of a line is a half times the sum of the endpoints. M equals a half of A plus B. Half is absolutely everywhere on the higher paper. Where a half hides, every triangle area formula, every indices identity where x to the minus 1 means 1/x, so a half is 2 to the minus 1. And in calculus, the moment you reach A level, integrating x gives 1/2 x squared. The half keeps cropping up. If your final answer has a stray half multiplier and you can't see where it came from, it's probably a triangle, a midpoint, or a negative power. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.